John Winchester was a very wealthy man. Cha-ching! One day, when he was enjoying skiing the Alps, lucky guy, he got absolutely frozen. No, not so lucky. In the evening, John came down with the flu. He called 3 best doctors in the Alps. As John was really rich and influential, many people wanted to kill him. More money, more problems, they say, right? That's why his bodyguards had to search them through. It turned out that one of the doctors was a hitman. Who wants to kill John? All right, detective, what do you see? Who should we arrest? Not me. Why would a doctor have an axe? We got you. The zombie apocalypse started. When you were home alone, my nightmare came true. You've barricaded all the doors and windows, 'cause you're smart. So you're safe for some time. Relax. But this won't last long. Oops, bad news. You need to do something fast, obviously. Try to get out of the city as soon as possible. Wouldn't hurt, right? Fortify your house. Take a weapon and go to buy some supplies. Call your friends to get to know if they are okay. What should you do to survive? I have no idea. I guess I'm not prepared for the zombie apocalypse. All these options are reasonable. But you're unlikely to do that on your own, unless you're Iron Man. So call your friends. You have more chances to survive together, and that's why you should have a lot of them. Who is her husband? A, B, or C? Any ideas? This one is easy, right? Here he is, lucky man. The water is nice. I wish I was in a swimming pool now. Who is her husband? This guy, chilling here. She looks happy. Her husband must be a great guy. Which one of them? This one. Ooh, they look angry. Calm down, guys. Who is the husband here? She's holding his jacket. Easy. You see her husband, right? Tell me your answers in the comments. Mrs. Stone called the police. My husband fell out of the window. He's dead. Ooh, now. The detective arrived at the scene. May we talk at your place? Can you tell me what happened from the beginning? George came from work changed clothes, and was ready for dinner. But I refused to serve dinner until he cleaned the window as he promised. George started cleaning it and fell out. The detective immediately arrested Mrs. Stone. Why? This one is for geniuses. Why would he arrest her? She said he had changed before cleaning the windows. But he still wears his jeans and outdoor shoes. Got you! Somebody stole a body away from a cemetery. Ooh, who would do that? The cemetery is located near Zombieville. What a coincidence! So the police went right there to interview the citizens. I don't like the taste of brains. Yes, you do. I don't need that body. We are law-abiding zombies. We buy certified frozen brains in the local store. I'm a vegetarian. I eat only soy brains. Even zombies have a sense of humor. Who stole the body? I bet it's hard to be a zombie. Would you rather be a zombie or a werewolf? Tell me in the comments. They dragged the body over there. Hillary called the police and said that her husband was killed. The detective arrived at their place and interviewed Hillary. Let's hear her out. I came home from work. Suddenly, someone held my nose and mouth. Oh no, and I lost consciousness. I woke up in the kitchen and saw my husband lying in the bedroom. He was stabbed with a knife. Have you touched anything in the living room? No. The detective examined the body and arrested Hillary immediately. Why? That's a good question. She looks pretty devastated about her husband's death. She couldn't see the knife. Ooh, that makes sense. How did she know that he was stabbed? Jack called his wife Jane from the office. Honey, I'll be home at 8 o'clock. That day was Jane's 30th birthday. She was getting ready for the party for 3 days and invited several friends. She bought a beautiful dress, cooked plenty of food, and decorated the house. Ah, so beautiful. Jack came home at 8:05. He brought flowers, a birthday cake, and a precious necklace. But Jane was really mad at him. She threw the flowers at him and burst into tears. Why? I mean, he was only 5 minutes late, right? Why would she do that? So mean. Jane was expecting him to come at 8 p.m. And he came at 8 a.m. the next morning. Oh, that's not nice at all. Charlie is locked in a bunker with 3 doors. He knows that there is one of his close people, and each of them is in danger. But he can save only one person. John Best friend. Locked up with a zombie. Poor John. Camilla. Girlfriend. Locked up with a werewolf. That's even worse. Liam. Colleague. Locked in a mined room. Pretty bad as well. Who can Charlie save? John must have already become a zombie. Camilla must have already been eaten. He still has time to save Liam. You were at home when the zombie apocalypse began. Once again, you had no weapons at all there. That's not smart of me. But you knew that you would need it soon. I'm not very good at advocating for myself. You found some items which you could use to protect yourself. Whew, okay, all right. I'm good, I think I'm good. Which one should you pick? A ski pole, a baseball bat, a kitchen knife. Maybe all of them? What about a chainsaw? Where's my chain? Why didn't I buy the chainsaw when it was on sale? Zombies' bones are fragile. That's true. The bat will be a perfect weapon to smash them. Which zombie was her husband? Wow, what an unexpected turn of events. 1 second you're marrying the man of your dreams, and the next you find out he is a zombie. Poor girl. So, who is her husband? Looks like all three could be her husband. I mean, it looks like they're all interested. And why wouldn't they be? She does look like a brainy kind of gal. Definitely not B. Is it A or C? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video.